Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we are going to design this modern and professional real estate home for sale poster in Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. First, use the rectangle tool and draw a large shape covering the left area. To make the layout more stylish, slightly curve the bottom corner using the direct selection tool. This gives a soft, modern feel instead of sharp edges. After that, apply a gradient overlay using a dark purple to slightly lighter purple tone. This gives the design a premium and modern look. Add a soft drop shadow under the image to create depth. This makes the design look more 3D and realistic. Now let's add the main heading. Type Modern. Keep it white so it contrasts nicely with the purple background. Below that, type Home in bold uppercase letters. Make it large and powerful. Use a bright yellow color to create strong contrast. Increase tracking slightly so the letters breathe. Add a subtle drop shadow to make it pop from the background. Below that, type For Sale in white. And add two small yellow lines on both sides to balance the composition. Already you can see the hierarchy forming: Modern, Home, For Sale. Next, we'll design the price badge. Create a circle shape near the center, overlapping both sections. Fill it with purple and add a yellow stroke around it. Inside the circle, type price at the top, and below that type $40,000 in bold, large, yellow font. Add inner shadow or subtle gradient for a glossy effect. This badge immediately grabs attention and highlights the price clearly. Below that, create a bullet list. Add features like 4 living rooms, laundry room, room balcony, 7 bedrooms, open kitchen guest room. Use check icons before each line. Now let's move to the bottom section. Using the pen tool or custom shape tool, create smooth organic shapes. Place each image inside those shapes using clipping mask. Add white borders around each shape to create a sticker-like look. Now add soft shadows below each shape so they appear floating above the background. Import 3 interior images: living room, hall, and kitchen. To make it more dramatic, you can add soft cloud brushes around the shapes for a luxury dreamy effect. This adds creativity and makes the poster more visually interesting. Zoom out and review the entire composition. If something feels crowded, reduce size slightly. If something feels empty, adjust spacing. Professional design is all about balance. So this is how you can create a modern real estate home for sale poster in Photoshop, step by step. This design style works perfectly for real estate agencies, property dealers, Facebook ads, Instagram promotions, printed flyers. If you learned something new from this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more Photoshop poster design tutorials. product ads, thumbnail design, and creative manipulation projects. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.